In this video, I'm going to show you 5 ways in order to make your battery last longer. Many people are frustrated because the battery do not last longer again, and the reason is because they do not take care of what they need to take care. So I'm going to teach you different way of making your battery last longer. So if you are new to this channel, please consider to subscribe and also share this with friends and family. So the very first thing you have to do is to decrease the brightness of your phone. So many people actually loses their battery life because they always put their brightness of the phone, they always make it brighter. So you need to do what? You need to make it darker. So at this very, look at my phone here, so you can actually decrease it maybe whenever you are. So it will definitely make your battery last longer. Number 2 is to turn off Bluetooth and Wi-Fi if you are not actually using it. If you are not using your Bluetooth, if you are not using your Wi-Fi, and even if you are not using your data, what you have to do is to turn it off, because they are actually the thing that drain up your battery mode. Then number 3 is to turn off the GPS location. GPS location actually is for location tracker. So if you are not making use of it, you can just turn it off. And also another one is to use the correct charger for your phone. You need to buy the correct charger. If you are not using the correct charger to plug your battery, to charge your battery, you will discover that your battery will be running out of power every day. And the 5th one is to turn off the vibration mode. Vibration actually decreases your battery level. So click on the button here and then go to your setting to turn off the vibration. So that is what I have for you today. Good day.